Hey guys, please like, subscribe, and comment, and share.
Uh-oh, Kiana, look, you're on camera. Where are we going? We're going to a car dealership. See if we can get a truck. A truck. Yes. Say truck. Yeah, truck. Truck. Yeah, guys. Do truck. Huh, Keeps?
Mommy.
Huh? That's not mommy. So Kiana, wait, what was it? Mommy's in the store, gas station. We are going to check and see if we can get this 2013 GMC Sierra crew cab full drive. Use it for business. So no more using a Tahoe. I'm gonna put my business logo on the back windshield, or my business name, MVP Lawn Care. So hopefully it goes well. Hopefully we can get it. What did you say, Keeps? What did you say? What does that mean? 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 I'm just ignoring her. I'm annoying her. What does that mean? What does that mean? Alright guys, well, how you like my haircut? Oh yes. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. So, see you at the car lot.
Happy peas, it's Moki. And
Mokenchi.
And Kiana. Huh? Hold on. Say hi. You're welcome.